Hi, welcome to my new studio for filming videos, for filming new paradigm videos. I am so freaking excited. Tyler and I just ordered all of this kit, all of this video making kit, because he wants to do music videos as well. And so perfect, and so much fun. So, for the next forever, I'm going to be filming videos right here. We've got a green screen arriving soon, in the next couple of days, so that I can have a beach in the background and be like, step into my office. So, oh my gosh, so excited. I can't wait to talk to you all about the new paradigm, about ease and flow and abundance, and just, oh, it's going to be so awesome. I'm so ready to party, so ready to party with you. Get your party pants on, get your hot pants on, your sequin hot pants on. It is on. Let's do this. Yes.